Welcome to Mandarin Retreat, the ultimate immersive Chinese learning experience. If you're learning Mandarin from outside China or want to improve your language skills while immersing yourself in an authentic Chinese environment, Mandarin Retreat is the perfect solution for you. Our weekend trips and extended camps in the UK give you the chance to experience a nearly 100% Chinese-speaking environment. You'll participate in cultural activities with native speakers and professional Chinese tutors, such as making Chinese dumplings, playing mahjong, and learning calligraphy. Our last trip was sponsored by LTL Mandarin and attended by Max Hobbs, their head of marketing. Here's a clip of Max practicing his Chinese with one of the organizers on the retreat.
比如说你为什么开始学中文？
为什么？因为我的公司是一个普通话学校，所以我6年以前去北京工作，但是我也要说中文，我不要在公司里，在办公室里就说英语，我要说中文。
你是因为先在一个就是语言的那个学校里面工作才开始说中文，
对，
还是你本来就很喜欢中文才去的这个学校？
实际上第一个，但是我第一次来中国是2014年，当时候我当女老师，但是不太喜欢这个工作，我的公司讲不好，所以我回国，但是我对中国的文化，中国的人们，文化很感兴趣，所以2年以后，我在领英查一下有工作在北京、上海、深圳等等。我看到这个工作在 LTL Mandarin School，我觉得这个很有意思，因为我的专业是市场，他们有一个招聘市场营销，我觉得我可以看一下。1个星期以后，他们说 Max 来北京。
Mandarin Retreat provides a unique opportunity for Chinese learners to improve their language skills while having fun and making new friends. Our organizers and tutors are experienced at supporting learners of all levels, whether beginner, intermediate, or advanced. During the trips, you'll enjoy delicious Chinese food and experience Chinese culture firsthand. You'll have the opportunity to make lifelong connections with like-minded people and immerse yourself in an unforgettable experience.